Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix use Secure DNS. This setting is disabled on managed browsers. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry tag, click on open it and select yes. And now check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy the path and paste it in the address bar and press enter. After selecting the Chrome on right side, you can able to see extension listed. Name something extension. Just delete all the extensions name, expert the default. You just need to delete everything under listed and right click and select delete option. Select all and do the delete option guys. Expert the default option. And now just to close off here and reopen the Chrome. Now just scroll down, use Secure DNS. As you can see, option A you can able to turn on. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.